We now return to the Do-It-Yourself Home Repair Show and your host, Normie Puppet.
Okay, alright, welcome back. Alright, as you can see, the home DIY drywall repair did not turn out as nice as we would have wanted it, but you know what? Hey, it's okay because I have Rockstar Pure Zero Punched. Yeah, I am enjoying all of the caffeine with none of the sugar. So I don't even care that this looks like garbage. That's fine. I have Rockstar Punch, and you can too if you bought one, but you didn't, so suckers.
Rockstar Pure Zero for when you don't give a crap.
I'm ready to do some more wall repairs. What do you say?